Welcome to the Status Network. This video will provide you with step-by-step guidance on how you can participate during the status contribution period using MyEtherWallet.
Hey everyone, this is Sebastian with Status, and I will be going over how to contribute to the Status Network contribution period with MEW, or MyEtherWallet. I'm going to be real brief about how to generate a wallet, because I did the last tutorial over generating that and getting access to your Status Genesis tokens. So if you need help with that, go ahead and go to the other tutorial we have on the page and see how to generate a wallet. But basically, it will just be putting in a password here and downloading that file. But so let's go straight to send ether and tokens, this tab right here. And we're going to choose one of these. In the other tutorial, maybe you saved your private key, which is a long string of letters and numbers, and you can just put that in if you'd like. But we're going to go over this key store UTC JSON file. So click here, wallet, and there, test wallet. Click unlock over here. Okay, now that we are all signed in, this address over here on the right-hand side, it actually used to be on the left-hand side, but MyEtherWallet has been doing some updates. This is my account address. Yours will be different. This is just the one that I'm using for the tutorial, the account address. This is where you will be receiving those tokens after you have sent in your ether for the contribution period. So again, this address right here. Also, this to address is going to be filled in with the address that has been provided by the status.im website. Make sure that you are only entering the information, the address that is provided by official sources. Those official sources will be listed in the blog article. Remember, Ethereum is the only token that will be accepted for the contribution period. And so here we're going to want to choose the amount to send. You're going to want to put in however much you're wanting to contribute to the Status Network. We're going to put in, let's say, we're going to put 5 tokens in there. We're going to want to make sure that we have the gas limit probably set to, let's say, 200,000, 1, 2, 3, and that will kind of help prioritize the send, putting the gas limit there to make sure that it gets put into the block, so we can make sure that it gets to the smart contract. And once we have put in the amount that we want to send, and we have put in our gas limit here, then we're just going to generate transaction. And then you want to click send transaction. I used 0.042 for this example. Make sure that the number in the middle in red is the amount of Ethereum you want to contribute. Then yes, if that's correct, on the bottom right. Then we want to make sure that the transaction goes through successfully. View transaction in the bottom left. Sometimes the transactions get rejected if the network is too clogged up with people trying to send stuff into the smart contract. This is where we're going to check and make sure that the transaction went through. So here, as long as there's nothing red under the to section, no warnings, it should be good. If you've got some block confirmations there, it should be fine. And so now if we want to show your tokens, the SNT, we're going to want to go to add custom token. And then we're going to want to fill up that address, again with the address that has been provided, the smart contract address. And then we're going to want to put the token symbol in, which is the SNT, Status Network Token. And then after that, decimals, we'll put 18 decimal points. And then click Save. And then you can click on the Show All Tokens tab up there. And then you will be able to see the token balances, and you can scroll through and it should pop up under token balances, SNT, Status Network Tokens, and you should have your account balance in there. And that's it for this tutorial on how to contribute to the status network contribution period. Thank you guys for contributing, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the Slack channel.
For the latest updates, please visit our website at contribute.status.im and keep an eye out on our announcement channel in Slack. You may also refer to our PDF guides. Thank you and have a nice day.